Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate fondue for your fountain. First, gather your ingredients: high-quality chocolate, a neutral oil like vegetable or canola, and your chocolate fountain. The type of chocolate is crucial. Look for one with at least 35% cocoa butter. This ensures a smooth, flowing consistency. Steer clear of chocolate chips, as they contain stabilizers that can make your fondue too thick for the fountain. Next, it's time to melt your chocolate. Use a double boiler for gentle, even heat, or microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each. This prevents burning. Once melted, incorporate a neutral oil. A good rule of thumb is to add 1/4 cup of oil for every 1 pound of chocolate. This oil is key to achieving that perfect, silky texture needed for your fountain. Now let's check the consistency. Drizzle a small amount of melted chocolate from a spoon. It should flow smoothly and continuously, without any breaks or clumps. If it seems too thick, add a little more neutral oil, just 1 tablespoon at a time, and stir thoroughly. Keep testing until you achieve that ideal, free-flowing texture that will cascade beautifully in your fountain. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. First, preheat your chocolate fountain for at least 10 minutes. This ensures the base is warm and ready for the chocolate. Then, carefully pour your perfectly prepared fondue into the fountain's base. Watch as it cascades down, creating a mesmerizing display. Serve with an array of dippables, from fresh strawberries to fluffy marshmallows, for a truly delightful experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.